I think the sort of common concept of like, these are individuals just seeking attention is a pretty misinformed conception. That it's not just some glorified desire for like, hey, pay attention to me. Because if it was really about pay attention to me, then it would be for those people, they would be satisfied with that. Those of us who are addicted to drama or those who we know, but it doesn't stop there. Because the challenge of that is consistently, perhaps there is that desire to be seen or to be met, but it's the simultaneous tension of being unable to receive that. The vulnerability of being seen because signals internally a sense of danger. And so we have this continual tension within that it's not just about seeking attention, else that pattern would have been completed upon receiving attention.
Right.
And so it's a lot more deeper layers of internal wounds, very deep wounds that then build these layers of compensation.
This is Lynn Fraser with the Radical Recovery Summit airing January 13th to 22nd, 2023. Please go to radicalrecoverysummit.com to view the clips and the interviews.